Okay, here we are, the day before our wedding. Welcome to Marriage Bureau. Baby!
Hi, everybody!
It's time.
It's time for the wedding of Russo.
Cordelia Russo affair. Today is December 4th, 2015. We're about to go into the courthouse at 201 something. Over there. Shower?
Yeah.
Wow. Honey, that's you. There is my future wife. Hey! Everybody lost the bet, right? Oh! Right, baby? Look at her go. What's that? We gotta both fill this out? Okay.
Yeah, you have to fill it out too.
Okay, signing out. What?